Okay, so here we are going to discuss the third physical feature of North America, that is the Great Plains. The Great Plains of North America. So, the Great Plains are located on the North America continent in the countries of the United States and Canada. Okay, so you can check, it is written here, the Great Plains, central part of North America. Okay, this region lies in the Great Plain region. Okay, so that lie in the countries of the United States and Canada. Okay, United States and Canada. Let's start the Great Plains now. Okay, between the Western Cordillera and the Appalachian, there is a region of vast fertile lowland known as the Great Plains. Okay, between the region of Rocky Mountains in the west, okay, between the Rocky Mountains, or you can say Western Cordillera in the west, and Appalachian Mountain in the east. Okay, so in between Appalachian Mountain in the east and Western Cordillera or Rocky Mountain on the west, the central part which we have, okay, that is the Great Plain part of North America. Okay, so this part, central part, in between these two highland, these two mountain ranges, we have the vast fertile plain area known as the Great Plains. Okay, now next is, so it mainly it is located at the central part of North America. Okay, the central part is surrounded by highland area from both the side, east and west. This central lowland area comes in a category of the Great Plains of North America. These plains extend from the delta of River Mackenzie. As you can check, this is River Mackenzie. You can check, this is River Mackenzie in the north. Okay, so the extent of this Great Plains, central part, the Great Plains of North America, from the delta of River Mackenzie, so the delta region of River Mackenzie at the Arctic Ocean, in the north, you know, here we have Arctic Ocean, this is River Mackenzie. So the extent of Great Plain is from the delta of River Mackenzie, okay, at the Arctic Ocean in the north, to the Gulf of Mexico in the south. Okay, so from here till here, you can check it, this is Gulf of Mexico. Okay, so this whole area in the central part is called the Great Plains. Okay, which starts from the delta region of River Mackenzie, okay, in the north, and it extends till Gulf of Mexico, ends at Gulf of Mexico in the south. So this region is called the Great Plains. Okay, the central part of Great Plains has almost treeless temperate grasslands, are called treeless temperate grasslands, called the prairies. Okay, so the central part, okay, the central part which we have in North America, this part has almost treeless temperate grassland. Okay, trees are not found, mainly grasses are found, grasslands are there. Okay, that is known as prairies. Okay, this part is known as prairies in the USA. Okay, so this lies in USA. The Great Plains are drained by Mississippi, Missouri river system. Okay, so this Great Plains drained, or it is mainly drained by river Mississippi and Missouri. Okay, so Mississippi, you can check, this is the location of Mississippi River, and it has many tributaries like Ohio, like you can check here, Missouri, okay, Arkansas. Okay, so these are the tributaries of river Mississippi. Okay, so mainly the Great Plains are drained by Mississippi Missouri river system. Okay, so Mississippi Missouri river system and its tributaries, they mainly drain this central part, the Great Plain area. Okay, and there are so many other rivers also which contribute in making this area very fertile, productive. Okay, so the basins of these rivers are among the most productive agricultural regions of the world. Okay, so this central will sum up this topic now.